The jacket cooling water system used on board consists of jacket cooling water pumps of main engine. These pumps take suction from the de-aerating tank and circulate the cooling water through the main engine. The de-aerating tank prevents the accumulation of air in the system. When both the main engine and auxiliary engines are running, valves P2 remain shut and valves P1 are open. While sailing, when freshwater generator is heated with jacket water from the main engine, the freshwater generator bypass valve is shut. When the freshwater generator is not in use, the bypass valve is kept open. From main engine, the cooling water flows to the jacket water cooler. A temperature sensor at the engine outlet senses the water temperature and controls the three-way valve at the cooler outlet. Depending on the temperature, water bypasses or flows through the cooler. Water from the cooler flows to the de-aerating tank. Volume of water in the system decreases due to evaporation and leakages. An expansion tank compensates these evaporation and leakage losses. The engine-driven cooling water pumps of the auxiliary engine take suction from the cooler outlet. The cooling water circulates through the auxiliary engine and flows back to the cooler through the three-way valve. If the outlet temperature of cooling water is less, water flows back to the suction side of the pump. In port, cooling water from auxiliary engine are used for preheating the main engine. Valves P1 are shut and valves P2 are kept open. The cooling water outlet from the auxiliary engine flows through the outlet of the main engine. The water circulates inside the main engine and flows back to the de-aerating tank through the pump bypass valve P2. Since no water flows to the main engine cooling water outlet temperature sensor, the cooler three-way valve is kept in the bypass position. Water from the de-aerating tank flows to the auxiliary engine cooling water pump suction side through the cooler. The dotted lines represent the venting and expansion arrangement in the system.